Hello and welcome. I am Tanisha Sharma and today, one second.
Hello, I'm in the middle of the shoot.
What? Seriously? That's a great news, man. Okay, bye. You know what? I just got a call and I came to know that one website portal is available for all government schemes. Yes, I'm talking about Jan Samarth. If you want to start a business or you want to study abroad and you need loans for that, or if you're a farmer who needs financial support, what if I tell you that your dreams are just one click away? Yes, you heard it right. With just one web portal called Jan Samarth. Jan Samarth is one-step portal that will connect you to all the loans, subsidies and government schemes at just one platform. So in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Jan Samarth. What Jan Samarth is, how you can use it, why you should use it, the key features and a real life example as well. But before we start, let me tell you what Jan Samarth is. Let me give you a quick introduction about it. Jan Samarth is India's first digital platform that connects you to government schemes that are just tailored for your needs. Whether you're looking for educational loans, entrepreneurship support or agricultural subsidies, this website makes your dreams a reality. Now let's see what exactly Jan Samarth is. Jan Samarth is one-stop portal for beneficiaries to discover and apply for loans and government schemes. It focuses on four key areas: education, livelihood, entrepreneurship and agriculture. This website absolutely simplifies the process. So you don't have to go to different websites, look for loans, subsidies, government schemes and the long procedure to apply as well. This one portal will help you do all of this quick. Now, how to use Jan Samarth? Using Jan Samarth is as easy as clicking a button. Let me tell you. First, you have to visit to their official website, that is jansamarth.in. Next, you have to choose your goal. Whether you want to apply for a loan or you want to check your eligibility for a loan, subsidy or government scheme. And then you have to click on to the relevant section that you feel is appropriate according to your needs. Then you have to check your eligibility. You just have to fill in basic details like your income, your employment and your requirements. And then the best part, the portal will automatically filter out the schemes, loans or subsidies that match your needs and your profile. Then what? Just apply online. Once you find a scheme that perfectly fits your requirements and needs, you just have to fill out an online application. And you can also track your application procedure right there on the portal. Now this is how you can apply. Now let me tell you what are the key features of Jan Samarth. So the features that makes Jan Samarth stand out are personalized scheme. So when you fill out your details and your requirements, the portal itself finds out and filters out the best subsidies, loans and government schemes that match your requirements for you. Next, single window access. This one portal includes all the schemes, loans and subsidies related to livelihood, agriculture, entrepreneurship and education. So this is just one portal where you can go and find out schemes, subsidies and loans related to all these four key areas. So you don't have to go to different websites and find out loans that suit your requirements every time. You can just go to jansamarth.in and you can search what you need. Next, ease of application. Here you can submit your online application, so no hassle and no again and again chakkar of government offices. You can just fill out the form from the comfort of your home. Next, it's secure and reliable. So what is more trustworthy than a government-based platform? So it is convenient for you as well as you can blindly trust this platform because it is government-based. Well, this was about the key features. So now let's take a real-life example so that you can understand better. So imagine you are a small entrepreneur looking for a loan. So now because you want loan, you go to the website, you fill out your details and then you go to the entrepreneurship section. Again, answer a few simple questions and that's it. The portal will itself automatically will show you all the schemes that you are eligible for and that perfectly matches your needs and requirements. Then you just have to select the best one that you think that will fit in perfectly for your needs. And then you just have to apply online with just a few documents. And that's it. That is the only procedure you have to follow. So in short, you just go to the portal, you fill out a few details, you choose your preferred one and then you fill out an online application and submit your documents, and then good to go. Now, this was all about what Jan Samarth is, how it works, how you can use it, and with an example I have explained you. Now, why should you use Jan Samarth? Well, Jan Samarth empowers you for your future to take the full control of your life, your financial situation and your career. It helps you to connect with the right opportunities and do not miss out. It's fast, free and designed to make government schemes accessible to each and every one. We all know that there are plenty of schemes, loans, subsidies for people who are in need. But are they able to take its advantage? I don't think so. Maybe not, because they lack information, they lack knowledge. They don't know how to apply, where to apply, and also the long process of filling out an application form, going to the banks, going to government offices, chakkar. So much to do. But now it's just easy and it's available just on your fingertips. So I would just like to tell you that do not miss out on an opportunity that might lead you to a bright and successful future. So visit jansamarth.in today and take the first step towards your goal. But wait, before going, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.